Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna share another recipe inspired by the viral Dubai chocolate, the Pistachio Kunafa Brownie. If you love anything with pistachio and you love chocolate, this recipe is perfect for you. Pistachio Kunafa Brownie is a decadent fusion of two beloved classics. This show-stopping dessert combines the rich, fudgy texture of traditional brownies with a crunchy layer of kunafa, perfectly balanced by the nutty flavor of pistachios. Are you ready? Let's get baking! The ingredients that we will need are 1 cup white sugar, 3/4 cup plain flour, 100 grams of dark chocolate chips, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, 2 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup melted unsalted butter. For the kunafa pistachio filling, we will need 200 grams of kunafa pastry. I'm using a homemade one, but you can also check the Turkish shop or Asian shop for this. 3/4 cup pistachio spread, 1/4 cup melted unsalted butter, and 200 grams of dark chocolate chips for the topping. To start, add the melted butter in a bowl and then sugar, eggs, and mix them together. Add in the vanilla extract and sift in the plain flour, salt, cocoa powder, mix them together. Now, add in the dark chocolate chips. Next, pour it onto a 8 inches square pan and spread it evenly. Then, bake this in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While waiting for it to bake, prepare the kunafa pastry. Now, mix the melted unsalted butter with the kunafa pastry. Make sure they are evenly coated. And then transfer it onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and spread it evenly. And bake this along with the brownie for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it's golden brown and toast it. And once the brownie is done, set it aside to cool down. Once the toasted pastry has cooled down, mix it with the pistachio spread and pour it on top of the brownie and spread it evenly using a spoon or spatula. Then, set this aside. Next, transfer the 200 grams of dark chocolate chips in a bowl, then microwave this for 10 seconds at a time until it has completely melted. Once it has completely melted, pour it on top of the kunafa pistachio filling and spread it evenly. Then, top it with crushed pistachios, but this is optional. Then, chill this in the fridge for at least 1 hour before slicing and serving. And here's our finished product! Pistachio Kunafa Brownie is so good. It is ideal for impressing dinner guests or treating yourself. This dessert delivers on both flavor and visual appeal. I hope you'll give this a try. Thank you for watching today's episode. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. And if you have anything that you want to see in the next episodes of Bonus Kitchen, just comment down below. See you next time. Bye!